So as usual, we're gonna start with wiring the Zimo controller and same GST, which will be the donor for the wires. And there we are, 4 wires. We're going to be using, as usual, motor left-right, rail left-right. So the colors aren't exactly the way they should be, but we have red and black for the rails, and then we're just gonna take white and yellow. Instead of putting them for the lights, we're just gonna use them for the motors. Shouldn't be such a big deal as long as you know what is what. So yeah, pay attention to your wiring diagram. So yeah, wire the GST wires on the Zimo controller, and every time I get to this point, I remember that I should have bought that heat gun, which would tighten the heat shrink very nicely. But I don't have one, so I'm just going to use a normal soldering gun for this process. Alright, let's get cracking. So there we are. The controller has been wired, and the tips of the wires have some solder on, so they will be very easy to stick on the loco. That's about it for the wiring.